Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Right now, if you want to make sure to subscribe, hit that bell button so you can not have uploading to video. Right now, if you want to hi, welcome. Right now, if you want to welcome back. So today is something different because I never gonna vlog for 3 days. So today's the video I'm doing is the vlog. So in 3 days with the video, yes, 3 whole days with me during tropical storm. And yes, during tropical storm, I live in Texas. I live in Houston, Texas. So the storm of picture right here supposed to start raining today, tomorrow, Wednesday, supposed to start Thursday, Friday, and the weekend. So it looks like we had like 2 to 3 inches of rain. Some areas having 2 to 4 inches, like 38, 6, 8 inches. But I think brothers having 2 to 4 inches, which is not that bad, but it's like a little bit flooding. So they canceled school for my brother, but they had school today. But they canceled football practice today. There isn't football. They can school for them tomorrow. So I don't know if that's school for Wednesday, but it's can school for them for tomorrow. But I got school tomorrow and Thursday. I go to school Tuesdays and Thursdays, and we have a class coming today at 1:30. So hopefully they will get school tomorrow. Cause we opened a group chat last night, and it was like, oh well, you should get in school tomorrow. I mean, yeah, I gotta get to take care of. I'm not gonna tell her that. And it was, oh, the school don't care. We do not care. So I hope they do get in school tomorrow, cause like it was gonna be that bad tomorrow. And until tonight, then there's no point going to school because we're only really half a day. We won't be at school because they have a morning session and night session. It depends which program you're at. My program is a morning session, night session. Me, I'm a morning session. I'm a morning person. Our class starts at 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. That's 4 hours half a day. And then the night session is 6 p.m., 6 in the evening till 11 o'clock at night. I don't know if they're gonna, I don't know if it's gonna out, because Hobie should let us know if they got any updates. Hobie should let us know. And but tonight, me and Granny Boys are going bowling. And I'm like, bowling? We're going bowling tonight, you know, plus the storm and stuff like that. But she did not care. So hopefully it won't be that bad tonight. Because if it does that bad, then it's going to go to school tomorrow and Thursday. We should go to school Thursday because it's supposed to start Thursday. So it's ready today, tomorrow, Wednesday. So it doesn't make sense to have Thursday off and supposed to start raining Thursday, Friday, and the weekend. Yeah, so I was gonna do like a vlog, like a productive in my life video. So I'm gonna do that vlog today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. There's hurricane. I did like a vlog, me vlogging at that winter storm. Make sure you watch that video and the video right here. I'm gonna go ahead and eat. I'm gonna go ahead and eat some waffles, those cinnamon toasted waffles. That's so I ate those yesterday. I haven't ate those in a long time. I remember back in high school, before school time, before school, I used to always eat those every day. So today my agenda, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be, of course, vlogging today. And I'm supposed to do like laundry, homework. I'm gonna do like discussion board into a class today since today marks week 3 of my freaking school. Other my to my workouts. I don't know what my workouts. Scripting my manifestation journal. Scripting my manifestation journal. What else? What to do like laundry, homework, working out, scripting manifestation journal, writing my manifestation journal. And I was gonna like film a reaction video and that video because then I'll post this one tomorrow because I don't know if we're gonna run out of power because my granny and my mom, they'll go to the store like I told to get some stuff, some water and stuff just in case. If we don't run out of power. So I just don't wanna, cause I don't wanna end up filming a video tomorrow, a reaction video tomorrow. And while I'm gonna filming it, the power went off. Now I don't get a chance to freaking edit videos. I think that when I'm gonna do my stuff, I think it's best for me to film that video. I don't know when I'm gonna film that video, but I should film the video, the reaction video, edit videos, and upload video tomorrow when we do run out of power. If we run out of power. I think the best just do it today because I want to end up doing it tomorrow and then throwing the power went off. And I only tend to edit about the freaking video tomorrow. So I don't know. I think I should do that when I get done doing my laundry or done doing my homework. I don't know, but I'll do an update. And I'll update you guys when I get done doing my homework. And I'm gonna be eating first. Then I'm gonna do my laundry. Let's just vlog me doing laundry. So yeah. Yo, so tell me why I'm really brushing my teeth and got this little mini hefty bag. Where I put my toothbrush, lip gloss, or lipstick, not lip gloss and lip balm. Tell me why I pulled this thing out. This little thing to zip at the thing. It freaking broke. Like, it freaking broke. So now I go to this shit away. I gotta rip a freaking hole to get a freaking new bad bitch. I'm not worried about that, but still though, like, oh why I put the thing a little too hard. These things freaking cheap. That's why. I don't even know why use anymore because it's so fucking cheap. Like, what's the point of having this? You could open this part and just rip it open. It's dumb. That's what I'm gonna do. Get that. That's gonna get my clothes sorted out. Too much freaking clothes. Wait, just better do that. So got this Ziploc bag, which is the same thing from my other one. Then I'm gonna just use this. But this one doesn't have the gray thing. That was old. This one's brand new, which is better than the hefty one. Yeah, I use all time for my freaking snack to go to school for lunch. Like a little snack to go. Rip this open. Ooh, that one's about to open. We'll rip a little hole to open this up. This is my toothbrush. Toothbrush. And then you lip balm, lip gloss. And boom, here you have it. I think that is a good thing to keep, because especially if you want to travel on the road or travel to go to vacation. You know, at the airport, they be checking these baggage and luggage. This is good to use when you're on an airplane, to catch an airplane, stuff like that, all your bathroom essentials, all the other stuff. Maybe you can have this in your Ziploc bag. These cheap bags. Bye. When I was in here watching my favorite YouTuber, prayer for my second birthday, Maya Lachey, which watch her channel. Yeah, Maya Lachey. And now, while I gotta set these clothes up, which I don't feel like doing. Oh man. And plus, you got a lot of freaking clothes. Like, look at the clothes. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's dark. Let me get out these clothes. A lot of clothes. Shit. I don't have that lot of clothes. Even my fucking brother, my little brother, having a lot of clothes. Chill. You like the towel. Chill.
Ryan Little.
Yeah, so tell me why I got done doing laundry. Well, I done do laundry. I did the first other black pile. I was gonna do it a lot at all at once since I can't do that because it's like it's full. So I'm done. So I done that done first. I'm put that in the dryer. And once I put it in the dryer, I'll put it separate black and color clothes so you can wash. But then put it in the dryer. I put the white clothes in the washer and dry that and I'm done for the day. So it was done for the day. I am so mad. The thing why my instructor, she in a group chat saying we got this discussion board due today, that's fine. Conference call 1:30, that's fine, it's in hours, like 12 o'clock right now. Tell me why she emailed saying that, oh hey, on tomorrow, be sure to wear your scrubs, da da da, we got people coming over from corporate. Like, are you serious? We got school tomorrow.
LMAO, I'm at home now editing, haha.
Like, I am so mad. Like, I am so pissed because why in the fuck would y'all even ask to go to school under a damn fucking tropical storm knowing it's supposed to be freaking bad? Like, I knew it. Cause school didn't care about fucking safety. I'm so mad. Now I'm gonna do my freaking homework discussion board to replies. I'm so mad. Yeah, I'm watching this weather, tropical storm.
Right now, all the dots are green. When we start to see some yellows and oranges, that's when we start to pay a little more attention to what may be happening in terms of any flooding possibilities. All right, here's the latest advisory. We're waiting momentarily on a new update, not so much in the track, but the status of the storm, if it is indeed stronger and moving faster or slower. But this track coming at us at 10 a.m. does slow it down a little bit, so this puts it at 7 p.m. tomorrow evening as a depression right over downtown Houston.
And it's like raining outside. I think that's raining. No, it's like cloudy. I thought I heard it rain. But it was raining last night while I was in the living room. But now it's like it's getting dark out. Now it's getting dark out. Check the rain outside. You guys can see it's getting dark out, so like about to storm, but right now, see the wind, see the clouds getting cloudy. It's getting real cloudy outside. Let's go check the other view, cause it sucks. Ooh, now it's raining. Yep, y'all, it's raining. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm glad they canceled school, but they didn't cancel my school at all. My teacher told my son, oh, well, I'll let you guys know. If you cancel school tomorrow, I'll let you guys know. Like, why the fuck would y'all even still have school? We're the only school on the college campus, the only school campus on earth that's not even close to mine, plus the storm real bad. And how the fuck y'all even allow students, people to come in, especially further from the campus? You got people who live downtown or south of an hour away from here, from where I'm at. Because then I live closer to school, it's like 10 minutes, but still, like, why would y'all even allow school to be open? Like, I'm not understanding. And plus to be bad. It is dumb. Like, ugh.
Along that and to the east is where we will see the strongest winds near that center of circulation in that northeast quadrant, and the heaviest rain bands as well. So looking at the greatest risk and when you're expecting the worst of the
And
conditions.
it's raining, so it's like, Mom, I'm gonna better be here. I'm so pissed. Cause I did laundry though, but still, I'm so mad. And plus, I had a freaking conference call meeting at 1:30, which is, what time is it? 12:48, and 1 o'clock yet. We have 1:30 conference call meeting. I don't know if I should record that on my laptop, but I don't know. Cause like, that doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense to have freaking carpet separate. It doesn't make any sense to have school during a hurricane. What is that? You gotta put it in the charger. It doesn't make any sense to have go to school during a damn hurricane. I mean, during a damn tropical storm, any other type of storm, hurricane. That's so dumb. Ugh. Hey y'all, I am just so upset. I'm so mad. So right now, I just got done with 3 minutes ago. I just got to finish filming my new reaction video that will be up today. I did the reaction video to the woman who eats 100 bars of soap every year, merchant addiction video, and I just freaking shut my freaking computer off. And now I'm so mad. Because in the video it's still my camera roll, but it's still like, I hate how I be making mistakes and just being so dumb. Now I'm gonna check on the freaking clothes, and I'm gonna do it right now. I need to import this freaking video footage I have on my laptop so I can edit the video. Upload it. The video should not be taking long. The video is like 14 minutes, so the video might at least take like 20 minutes, and then add my intro, my outro. In split cutting, I know I'm gonna get copyright in that video because it had like a lot of music in it, which I don't do like reaction music a lot like that anymore, because the video I have music playing in the background, well, in the video, in the actual episode, and that's just so annoying. It's kind of hard to find videos that doesn't have music in it, especially if it is copyright music. I apologize. I'll break especially trying to refresh your browser. Okay, whatever. There's always different issues on my app. Now it's saying, we're sorry, stop working unexpectedly. Try refreshing your browser to solve the issue if the problem in process returning your machine. Like, I ain't no got time for all that. I need to do this video and get edited and upload today ASAP. Why are you causing so much issues? You know, I just hope you guys want to get into my clothes, cause the point I'm mad. Dang, it is pouring down raining. I'm in a laundry room. It is pouring down raining, y'all. Look, it is raining. Be safe, y'all. So right now, I just got done. Ooh, it is pouring. Dang, it's pouring rain, y'all. I know you guys hear the rain. So right now, I just got done taking these these clothes. These clothes are dried already. These clothes are dry. Cause at first it was still a little bit wet, but once your clothes are a little bit wet, you gotta put it in dry again with the drying sheets, make sure everything is dry. So now I'm gonna put these in my basket right here, and then I'm gonna put the white clothes in dry with these drying sheets. And I got this washed already. Clothes in the dry basket so I can dry them up. And up in the bag and downstairs bathroom. Yeah, just gonna put it right here. We definitely need some new definitely need some new wipes. I don't want to always call these things wipes. It's not like wipes. I don't know what it's called. Drying sheets. You need more drying sheets. I think that I used the rest of it. The bouncy one. And I used the old one. The bouncy thing. Like, how many? There's like 1, 2, 3. There's 3 giant sheets, like they need more. So these things will last except probably next month because I wash clothes every other month. So I only wash clothes when I close the drying basket if it's gonna like a lot closed, and at the same time I'll wash clothes. Excuse me, I washed clothes today before the Wi-Fi and the power was off before the tropical storm. Or not, it is thundering, it is raining, not thundering, it's raining outside. But my granny said if it does pouring rain like really bad, then we're going bowling. I'm like, yes, because what's the point of going bowling? If it's gonna have a tropical storm, take them to school. What's the point of going to school? It's gonna be like this. It doesn't make any sense. But I'm gonna go ahead and get some tissue for this bathroom and edit the video, watch the YouTube videos on update you guys probably within tonight ish before I go to bed, because I might take a shower tonight and I'll update you guys if you gotta go to school tomorrow, or if there's any updates, because I'm pretty sure there will be updates. So I'll just update you guys tonight. Hope you guys have a great Monday, and people who just live in Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama who are going to get the tropical storm. Be sure you guys stay safe, stay sound, drink a lot of water, be prepared for your power outages. Be sure to charge your phones, your tablets, your laptop, in any case may be. Make sure it's fully charged because you're going to a hotel or anything may be. Yep, and I'll up you guys tonight. Hey y'all, so it's been a couple hours out of you guys. I just got done wash my face, comb my hair, and change my little shorts to the joggers because me and my granny, we're going to bowling. And I do not feel like going bowling, but since it's raining, it's not pouring down raining, we're going bowling. It was with my cousin, but he's not going to. He's going to go to play video games, whatever. I'm out of breath. I'm like every time I try to go upstairs, downstairs, I'm always out of breath. Like I'm not that freaking big, but it's like dang. Anyways, so I might vlog a little bit of bowling, but I'm not gonna vlog too much. Probably gotta tell you 2 or 3 videos of boyfriend Snapchat, and that basically it, because I'm not trying to vlog that much at bowling since you are in a tropical storm. So yeah, when I got a text message earlier from my school saying, hey, we're going to school tomorrow. Only the morning class going to school tomorrow, which that's me. But the afternoon, evening class, they went back to class at 6 p.m. A text saying they're going to school tomorrow. Yes, I'm a little confused, but they're going to school tomorrow. So I'm so excited. We do back to school on Thursday, and posted job, everything supposed to stop on Thursday, so that's good. Thank God it stopped. We gotta go to school tomorrow, because I'll be there and we gotta go to school tomorrow. Only freaking thunderstorm, all of this stuff. So yeah, and I'll put you guys when we're ambling. Hey y'all. Ew, that's a horrible. You got some of my neck fat. Oh lord. Hey y'all. So right now, I've been home. We've been home since like 9:30, and now it's 11 o'clock. Over 2 hours. Don't feel me 2 hours. But bowling was fun though. It was good though, cause when we first got there, it was like barely cars. There were like 3, 4 cars there. And I was like, oh, ain't nobody there. Like, my granny just said, well, ain't nobody here. Like, ain't nobody here. And I'm in this car before. Because every time when we go bowling, sometimes it might be like 6 to 8, 10 cars. Sometimes it might be packed full of cars sometimes. But today it was different because it's a hurricane, whatever. Now it changed to hurricane. With a tropical storm, now it changed to hurricane. Category 1 Nicholas. So now it's Category 1 Hurricane Nicholas. The tropical storm is Hurricane Nicholas. And I'm bowling. Me and Granny was the only ones there. And like a couple minutes after, like a bunch of people started arriving. Everything was like probably like 8 people that was there, which is not that lot, but still that's crazy. Cause ain't nobody was complaining about this fucking store and saying, hell nah, we going bowling. We going bowling. I was like, I didn't expect that, but okay. But it is so good this time. Cause always a couple of strikes, a couple of spears, whatever, a couple of gutters. And all my scores always like become like 100 or 80 or below 100. This time it was so good. A couple like the first time was like 125. Yeah, no, 120, no 123. The second round was like 80. That was down. And the third round was 116. Fourth round was like 120 something. I don't know. And the fifth round, last one, the fifth round was like 125. Me and Granny and my cousin, just played between 4 rounds. But this time we did 5 rounds. Me and Granny did 5 rounds. That's the second time we did 5 rounds. The first round we did 5 rounds. The first time like a couple months ago, but that was crazy. Now I'm here watching some YouTube videos, watching her name. Her name is Veda. Let's check YouTube. Yeah. Her name is Veda. Zenny, make sure to subscribe to her channel. And now I'm gonna go ahead and probably might take a shower. I was supposed to take a shower, but my stomach started to hurt. Now it's starting to ease a lot, ease pain. So now I'm going to take a shower now. So you guys want to see me in the same shape for the past 3 days while watching this video. I think I'm going to edit this part of the version of this video and get out the shower. So it will be super duper long to edit because I don't feel like editing a lot of footage in one day because that's a lot. So that's what I'm going to do. Yep, hope you guys stay safe during this hurricane. Happy Monday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, day 2 of this Hurricane Nicholas. Good morning, happy Tuesday. Well, I've been it's like 10 right now. And no school for everybody, no school for me. I'll go back Thursday, so right now I just woke up and now it's not be running right now. When I went to bed around at 2:40 in the morning, it was like pouring down, raining, no sun or nothing. It was like raining, and then it was like one blowing. That's to know if the hurricane is coming. So now I'm watching the Weather Channel. Every time the weather, all of a sudden I watch Weather Channel. And now everybody's getting the worst. I saw the freaking gas station sign in the ground. And I was like, damn, it's doing that bad. Everything too is bad over here. It doesn't look that bad. Let me look at the window. Okay. Hey, tomorrow. As you can see, it is like wet outside, so a bit cloudy. So cloudy. Such a. So when I went to bed, it was like pouring down rain really, really bad. And I look at the window, it's like barely even freaking rain. Well, it might rain today. It was like 80% chance of rain. Then due to the hurricane, so I'm not tripping about that. Oh, the power went off. The power went off for a couple of seconds and moved the power back on. I was in the living room. I'm like watching YouTube videos and about to like edit and edit the part 1, the day 1 for yesterday's video. But I know I'll do that today. So I know I can do that because I gotta like edit that video. I think I gotta edit the video for yesterday. I'll vlog for yesterday for 3 days video. And in that video, I'm gonna brush my teeth in my head. And brush my teeth, edit the video for yesterday because I got a bunch of clips to edit from the vlog for yesterday. So there's day 2. I'm edit the day 1, and then I'm edit day 2 before I put to bed. So then tomorrow day 3, I don't know when I'm gonna upload the video, but it should be around Saturday or Sunday because I don't know why I'm trying to upload videos to my freaking albums. I could import that on my laptop. It takes forever. I don't understand why, because like all of them together, it takes them 2 hours or an hour. Just if y'all stay safe, stay sound. hopefully y'all ain't trying to go outside and freaking flood, cause y'all is trifling. Y'all are dumb for that. Cause I understand every time you get a hurricane or tropical storm or it's rain outside, y'all always trying to freaking flood. It's not safe. The last time you had a hurricane, it was a Hurricane Harvey back in 2017, and it was really, really bad. That's why I said an apartment. It always been that bad when we walk outside, go to the gate, you see water everywhere. And I said, I think I live up to this apartment because that would have been a whole mess. So, if we live in a house too, but still, it's like the water ain't dripping in our house, it ain't even that bad. So, just over praying. Just over praying it doesn't be that bad. I'm watching the Weather Channel. Yeah, that's crazy. It's weird though, cause when you see water like this way in the grass area, it be flooded with water, like water all the time. And I'm surprised I didn't see none, cause I was trying to see out the window so I can record, so I could film it for y'all last night, but I can't cause it was dark outside, and you know I'm not trying to go outside and freaking flood and rain, cause I'm not doing that. So now it's a Category 1 hurricane, like real quick, cause all day it was a tropical storm. Now hours later it's a hurricane. That's crazy. I'll get my glasses. I'll be looking all blind, looking crazy to y'all. So I don't know if we got homework today. Like I said in the group chat. Teacher, I don't know if you gonna say you got homework today. I think you got homework today because of course, if you're not at school, we gotta do freaking homework. I don't know what's up today, so I sent in the group chat. Make sure I unplug my stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I think today I'm gonna do just chill, watch some YouTubes, write in my manifestation journal is scheduled with C. I don't know about working now because I don't know if I have time, but I don't know about working out. I'm just gonna skip it till Thursday or whatever, do my workouts. Since it's hurricane, I'm not doing anything, so it's like, no, I'm doing that. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and watch some YouTube videos, edit the video for day 1 vlog for yesterday. And then that's what I'm going to chill for today, write my manifestation journal. And then I watch an episode of Snack that I missed on Sunday. Today's Tuesday, but it's Catfish supposed to be in, but I don't know why Catfish ain't coming. I think no new episodes come until, till the fall time, I don't know, till the winter time. I don't know about that. Sentiment intervention, that show has done for almost 2 months. I didn't make sure it aired any episodes, but yeah. And tomorrow's Wednesday, and it's coming on TV. And they come on TV in the morning. So yeah, so I'm gonna do the same thing tomorrow. Hope it won't be that bad. If I catch out the rain or something, I might film that the rain. I don't know. It's been a chill day. Did y'all hear the rain last night? Yeah, the power.
Well, only up until I came in the house.
Yeah, it was like, I think it was like 2 in the morning. And that's when it was like raining, like pouring down rain. And that's when the power went off for a couple of seconds.
Oh, so that's why some of my stuff on here I had to do differently. Because I'm like, I didn't think the power went out. What are you doing? Okay. That makes sense.
I'm surprised y'all didn't hear anything. Y'all was not.
I was knocked out. I think I went to bed at like 1.
You didn't hear the TV going off or anything?
Nope. Nope. I didn't hear nothing. Why the TV got loud?
Mhm.
You turned it down?
Yeah. Cause you know the TV goes loud in your room when the power
Exactly.
goes
Yeah.
off.
No, I
Yeah, I didn't go sleep till like 2:40. Yeah, I heard on the news that some people got it bad.
Yeah.
I heard this. They saw the sign, and they're going out on the street.
Like what sound like a stop sign?
No, it was like a grocery store, like Cisco. The sign. I heard it was like down this way.
Oh, I saw that on the news this morning. Like the
Yeah.
whole thing just
Yeah.
collapsed.
I'm
Yeah,
just
I
like,
saw
damn.
that. I don't know where that was, but I saw that.
I'm like,
I think that
damn.
was in Galveston somewhere.
Um,
Yeah, because they got it to work.
um,
Yep, I saw that picture.
some people got it bad. Surprised we didn't.
Yeah, we not down. The people on the coast got it bad.
Mm.
We more inland, so
Um,
we did pretty good. And we did pretty good because the track shifted right a little bit more, so we wasn't all the way on the wet side, so that's why we kind of left out. But the wind is still strong right now. So.
500,000 without power. Dang. Dang, looks like everybody else got it bad because we're not even on that side of town, which is a good thing. We're like the northern side, so it's like we didn't got it bad. But that's crazy. Good thing we're safe because the weather moves further away north, so we're good. And that's when I think I'll up you guys gonna call my best friend, see what she's up to, see if she's okay, and whatever. Hey y'all, so I just got done importing the clips to my laptop day one video, and the video's already, let's see, the video's already 43 minutes long. This is the day one video. See, 43 minutes long. This is a long ass video, so I need to edit this video. Edit those two videos. I'm gonna edit this video once I'm done eating breakfast because I'm in the kitchen. Get some breakfast. And there you go. Just simple, easy peasy. Just put two waffles in there and boom. I like mine a little bit crispy, a little soft. Not too soft, because too soft it's not done. If it's too crispy to burn, then I ain't eating that, because it's a little crispy, a little bit soft, and then it'll be good. I was going to eat oatmeal, and I said, nah, I don't want to eat oatmeal. I'm sorry, oatmeal and cereal, even though Hey y'all, so right now I'm gonna take a break in this freaking video. I'm still editing part one, not part one, day one of the video. The video's already at 35 minutes. 35 minutes into the video. And I got 14 minutes into the video. This is all the clips that I got edited now. Now I edit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I now need to edit 5 clips from day 1. And tonight I was gonna edit today's not day 2 of the footage. Now I'm thinking I was like, well, let me just take a break and just finish editing probably on Friday because I just need to take a break and I have a lot of homework to do. I did homework. I need to like create edge. I'm still doing homework tomorrow, Thursday. I just don't want me vlogging distracting me during my homework. Then I got back school Thursday. So tomorrow is my last day of vlogging. Still gotta vlog today and tomorrow. All the TV is loud in the background. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just take a break and end this video. I hope this video does not finish while I'm checking this video because I'll be so pissed.
Ava forbade you from being around Rafe? Well, nobody forbids me from anything. Yeah, I was gonna say. Besides, if it's my idea to
I'm just so tired of it, and then I've been since 1 o'clock. It's like ain't even 3 o'clock yet. It's like 2:48. Ain't even 3 o'clock yet. Yeah, so you can edit that freaking those clips and edit those clips from yesterday and tonight and today's clips tonight before I go to bed because I'm tired from editing. You know what, editing is a lot of fun, but still it's a lot when you take your time. So then I'm gonna go ahead and eat more potatoes. Still got some greens, rice, and more potatoes. I'm gonna eat some greens, rice, one piece of cornbread in there, and some chicken. Whatever. I'm gonna check the window. It hasn't been raining like that all day. It's been like cloudy. Like you can see the clouds is like so cloudy up there. So I wanna go outside and get the fresh air, but I'm not going outside. It's still a hurricane outside. Yeah, I'm gonna update you guys tonight when I get done finish editing the clips from yesterday and today. I'm sorry if it has been very boring day 2, but it's like it hasn't been that much updates on the hurricane. So it hasn't been raining like that. So